Hello guys, welcome back to my video. So today we're going to play Valentine's Obi again. So this time I'm gonna play. So stop! Okay guys, if you wanna see my video, and then also guys, if you wanna see my videos, go stop. Make sure to like and subscribe. So I'm going to play. So now I'm going to play some new videos. Okay, checkpoint. Okay. So anyways guys, and now I'm going to play Valentine's Obi. So I only got checkpoints. We can collect the checkpoints, I guess. So I'm now going to just beat this game. I'm now going to beat this game, okay? So now I'm going to beat this game, okay? So I need to do that. I don't know if it's stage 5 award, okay? We need to just beat this game. Is that a chocolate? Who's that thing? Who's this part? Okay. Okay. Checkpoint. Okay, we're going to play. We're going to play this, okay, guys? So I'm going to just. And now I'm going to beat this game, okay? Why are there so many hearts there? Oh, I see that. Is that a heart? What the frick? No! Stop lagging! Stop lagging, please. I'm now going to get lagging. Now I'm going to just do this, okay? So now I'm going to beat this game, guys. Now I'm going to just put the checkers. They wanted to put the at somewhere else. They wanted to put the. They wanted to point the other side of this. But okay. Now I'm going to point this. Check the finish line. I don't know, finish line, I guess. I'm going to be. I'm going to just. I'm going to beat this game. Okay, guys. So now we'll go to this. So now just that I know. I know I'm going to jump. I know I'm going to jump, but I don't know how can I. Oh. No, I forgot. I swear God. I swear God. I know I'm going to just touch it. Okay, I only got checkpoints. Okay. I swear God. I just choose the wrong way, but I'm just gonna jump it. Okay. So anyways, guys, I only got. Do you want to add Valentine's Day to favorites? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Okay. So now has a plus, 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 plus. Yes. Only got checkpoints. Okay. So anyways, guys, I'm going to. I have a one voice, but I'm going to just. I know I'm going to be streaming, but I'm going to ask is because it's very long because I need to get 100 stage because I wanted to just beat this game. Okay, guys. So anyways, guys, why they has items, I guess. Okay. So now I'll go to this game. Okay, guys. So why there's so many hearts there? Oh, gonna be a long video, okay guys. So I'm gonna make a long video. So I'm gonna make 1 hour guys because I'm gonna beat this game, okay? So I'm going to keep on jumping once again, but I don't have. But they have so many hearts there. So they have this. They have the bone. This because the puppy will gonna eat it. Puppy will chew it and swallow it. They wanted to choke it. So there's a damage I guess so. I wanted to make a long video, guys. I'm going to make a long video. So, what's that thing? What's that this part? I'm going to just. Now they have so. I'm gonna free pause and just turn it on. What's that? Wait, I need to turn on the volume. The volume, I guess. I don't know. The music, I guess. Okay. So this music is gonna be nice. Nice and pretty, guys. And then just I'm going to just jump from the last one here guys. Yeah, they have minus this type of okay. Now we're going to check on the person down there. So my mom will gonna drive a car there. Yeah, it's so fast. Just I'm going to just stop park it. Here is it again. So anyways guys, I'm going to be sure. Oh no, you can't. You're so silly. Okay, I'm going to just be sure. Okay, other yes, it's my stage 3 award. Okay, we need to be sure. Don't you dare to ever one, okay? Don't you dare, okay? So now I'm going to be scared. Do not touch it. Don't touch it. Damn, I'm just lagging. I'm just lagging, guys. I know I'm not lagging. No, stop lagging, okay? If guys, again, I just so much to lagging, but I'm gonna just keep touching the checkpoints. I just touched the checkpoint. People would just create this Valentine's Day in February 1, 2024, and February 9, 2024. I don't know. I just played that in the first video of the series web. So what is that? Okay, so anyways guys, I know I'm going to touch it. Nothing. What's that? Is that a boat? A boat? Okay, we need to get. Oh, bro, why does my armpits are itching? Oh, because it's stinky. I need to just put it there. Okay, guys. What's that? Is that disappear stairs? We're going to get disappear stairs. Okay, guys. So why there's pink and white? Pink and white. Okay. So now I'm going to just touch the checkpoint. Okay, okay. You need to just. I do have a memory, so I have a bit memories. Okay, guys. So I'm going to touch. And now I'm going to touch it. Checkpoint. We're going to touch it. There's 1%, 100%. That's the deal. 100% idea. So I'm going to just. I'm going to do this. Very over and over again. What's that? And now I'm going to touch it. The same game. I'm gonna make a long video, guys, but I don't know because I go to just. Why is it taking so long? I need to just. I need to just jump to it. Okay, yes. Okay, what is the good hobby idea? So this thing is so a bit hard because I don't want to play it before without this. I'm going to play station. Okay, so that's this. Okay. So they have oh what's that? That's legally wrong. I don't know. There's a player this like thing like the game like the game I just played. Just English for this who's that? It's just seconds of this thing. Okay, we need to just touch the seconds to this. Okay. What's that? There's a ladder. No, we need to just step on it. Okay. I need to climb the ladder and also step on it. Okay, guys. What's that? Is that a brick? I don't know what to do about this. Because I know I'm going to just have this game. Gold and other noise. Okay, guys. So I'm going to just put the checkpoints there. I just put the checkpoints there, but I will go to just I'm going to just try. There's so many things in there. How many players do I have? Because I have 1 million players. I'm doing like this. So I'm going to just okay. So I'm now going to they asked me to the slime. They asked for it to the slime. So now go to the circles, okay? There are circles in there, okay? Why they ask for realistic, I think? I am Baldi because they ask body species on education and learn body species. I don't know, it doesn't mean. So now there's so many hearts there. There's so many hearts there, guys. So now I'm going to make a long video, guys. So why is it very long? Why is it very long? Because I don't know it's not a long video. They have long hobby. Okay, we need to put the checkpoints there. I need to just shit. I need to just my voice is getting really really fast because I'm going to run very very fast because I'm going to just I know I'm going to just I know I'm going to run faster because they teacher just told me to do it because I'm going to just stop the video. Okay, let's go. There's 1 billion energy because I'm going to do it. So anyways guys, I'm going to just okay. What's that? There's one white pig, guys, because we have okay. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 items. 6 items, I guess. Okay. They have 6 items in this game. 6 items. Okay. There's 16 items. I don't know. Okay. So let's continue our mission. The mission I think is how to play obbies. I'm going to be able to start. There's 60 hours. I don't know what to do. Also, just keep on more jumping because I'm going to just keep running because I'm going to do okay. That's how much okay because I'm going to just jump. I'm gonna jump. Don't fall in. Don't fall. Be careful, guys. Be careful, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, be careful because I know I'm going to just touch the checkpoints. Who's that obstacle? Who's that squid game thing? Okay. Only they have stars. Okay, they have stars in a triangle. I don't know how to do this. They have minions. Okay, guys, I'm going to just touch this thing. Okay, guys, I'm going to remove it. Okay, I'm going to just skip that because it's again, but I need to just, I know I'm going to, I make progress. Obstacles of this. I'm progress of this. I have a lot of progress. I have a full of videos. I'm going to keep going of these videos or this way. So I'm going to keep jumping. Keep jumping. Keep jumping. Keep jumping. Keep jumping. Yes. I know I didn't know this was. Last stage. Skip stage. Donate. Okay. So we need to donate this. Then donate. Okay. So anyways guys, do you want us to donate this? Because I don't have Robux, so I know. I don't know. Yeah. Because each Valentine's Day in February 16, 2025. So now go to this day. Okay. Everyone's this is stage 70 hours. I don't know what about this. Okay. 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 We need to get progress. I need to get progress. Okay. That music is gonna be 1 zillion out of 10. Okay guys, I'm going to just beat this game. Okay guys, so where is it? Okay, there's the superstars again. Okay guys, I'm going to just I know go this game. Okay guys, so we're going to do this because I'm going to just I go to touch it subtract it. Okay guys, I'm going to just we're going to beat this game because I'm going to just beat this game. So now I'm going to just beat this game. Okay, so now this could be the guy this game. That's the thing. That's the game. That's the notion. I saw him when I was playing that. I just go there. So in February 16, 2025. So it's Sunday. Let's see. It's 9:33 a.m. and it's Sunday. It's Sunday, guys. It's Sunday. We need to just what's that? Is that worm? I guess I don't know. Okay, we need to check first. It's a this is open this. Oh, there's a putting out shipwrights. Okay. There is I don't know. I don't know what to do. I don't really bring this again. This annoying thing. I like cars because they want very fast because I'm going to this game. Okay. So I'm a pro. I don't know. Okay. I don't know. They're flagging. I guess I'm going to keep going. I need to speed on this. Okay, guys. I know going to this game. I know how to jump and I know how to play Roblox. Guys, I know how to play Roblox, guys. Check this. I don't know how to just play Roblox in laptop. I don't know. I know how to play in this thing. I don't know. Really, that's something to do because I need to play this game. I'm going to make a long video. Let's make a long video, guys. Okay, guys. Pretty good, guys. Okay, we're now going to have secrets. Why do you have? Oh no, it gotta be a long video. Okay. Why I'm just laying there? Why I'm just laying there? I don't know. Why I am sick because of this ladder thing. Stupid ladder. Okay, now we're gonna check first. Okay, so now on, guys. So now on, I will be see this thing. So mom will gonna get the car and we're going to and also we can just put the car to this side. I hear it for a car, so I'm gonna they are moving very fast because I'm going to okay. So I know I go to jump. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3. There. Okay. Here's the go. So now I'm going to copyright song. So now no, there's 200 and 500. I don't know right now because I'm going to get 500. How many players? There's 1 zillion. So I'm gonna go to this game. Okay, yeah, so I'm not gonna naggy. I'm not gonna naggy, I guess. So I'm going to this. I only got 6 points. Okay. There's gemstone. What's that? Is that a flat world? Flat world, I guess. It's the Earth Evolution that just I play. All I want is you. I just watched that because it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be 20 out of 10. I like this way, okay? Okay, that's good. Pretty good idea. That's good idea. I have an idea. What's that? Is this umbrella for my mom? Okay, we need to just make my progress down. I have a lot of progress, okay. I need to get 500 to 400. I only got 400. 400 is safe, okay. I forgot. We need this. Okay. What's my other? 121 space. What's that? Okay. Only got 97 space. Okay. Oh, it costs damage if I just touch it. One plus damage. Okay. Let's see remove this. Okay. Only got 99. I don't know. 100. Give me 100. Yes. Give me. That's what. Okay. That's what. Avoid it. I want that one. I only got 6 items. 26 items. Okay. Avoid. Yes. Victory. Okay. So I don't do this thing. Okay. So now. Wait. This voice is gonna be a bit slow. I go to the show. I'm going to keep jumping more and more jumping. So I am a teenager now, so I'm now going to play Roblox again. So I'm getting really old. I'm getting really a grandpa. So I don't know. I'm going to get 100, 2100. I think. What's that voice thing? I don't know. Okay, we need to just there. So okay. Okay, check first. I need to just what's that? Okay, no. That's all out of time, okay guys. Okay. We need to just there's so many hearts there. Okay, there's so many hearts. Okay. There's so many hearts. It's Valentine's Day, February 2025 and 2020. I just upload in 2023 and 2024 to the okay. Okay. That thing. You know what? I'm going to jump very fast. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. 7 times. What the heck? Is that invisible? Oh my goodness, I'm flying! I'm flying, I guess. Okay, so now I'm going to just... Wait, can I just hit? No. It's gonna be impossible. I'm a progress. I'm a pro. Okay. Okay. They gave me to play. I'm going to just play. I know how to play, okay. What's this thing? Okay, I know how to play Roblox thing. What's that thing? Okay, so now I'm just... Okay, so there's this thing because they wanted to point this. Okay. We need to get another player. Okay. 1, 2. Hey yo, Jill! Pro! I'm pro! Okay. We need to just jump. Oh, I just jumped! Okay. There's invisible stairs, I think. So guys, I'm going to just step on the invisible stairs. They disappear. As I step on it, it disappears. It disappears. I don't know why. It disappears. I don't know why. Okay, so there's milk. It's not milk. Oh, there's just thing. I don't know. Cuttings. I guess I don't know. So anyways, guys, I know I'm going to speak English. English is Spanish. Yeah, but my first is okay. So now okay. That's alright. I'm going to just speak game. Okay, guys. So I'm going to speak English. I'm now going to just speak game because they're moving. Everyone's going to try stage 120 award. Okay, so I'm going to this game. Okay. Why do you have so many ladders in there? This game. Okay. Okay, there's star, 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 star. Yes. Okay then. So I have checkers. Okay, so this. So I'm going to just fix it. So I'm going to just. I'm not going to have that voice faster. I'm going to just very faster because I'm going to just fix it. Okay, I think that's it. Okay. So I have a pretty progress. I'm a, I'm a, I'm a pro. I am very good. I am hacking this game. I'm going to hacking this game. No, I'm getting faster than me. Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm beating this game. Oh, because that is okay. I'm beating this game. Yes, I'm gonna beat this game. Okay. Yes, sir. Did it. I am so did guys. So I'm going to just walking now. I'm walking, just jumping because I'm not jumping because I'm going to jump. I'm not going to jump. Wow. Wow. No. 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 Why they wanted to just make a voice? No. Shut up. Okay, good. So, in this case, I'm not because I wanted to just keep going. Okay, keep going. I don't know. Keep going. Come on. Keep going. I know I'm going to see it. I'm going to see it. Hold on, 100. Come on. Okay. So now I'm going to beach camp. Okay, guys, I'm going to beach camp. That's there, but I'm going to. I don't want to see it. But I want to. I'm not going to see it. Wait, hold on. Wait, I'm going to pro. What? Oh wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Hey, yo, Jill. Oh. Oh, yes. Also, I did a good because it's so smaller because I know I'm going to because also guys, I know. Well, I'm lagging. Stop lagging, please. I'm now going to just beat this game. Bro, stop lagging, please. I beat this game. Okay, I'm now. What? Oh! Oh my goodness. Stop, there's no internet. Joke. It's a prank, guys. It's a prank. Can I touch it? Let me see. Oh, okay, okay. It's about thing. Okay. This music is over. Come on, give me music. Give me music there. Okay. Okay. Now, they wanted to beat that. They wanted to beat into so, anyways, I'm going to this game. Okay, guys. I'm going to beat. Hey, also, guys, please subscribe to my other channel because it's about Grace. So now I'm going to beat game. I'm going hold for a while. So now I'm going to make a long video. I'm gonna make 1 hour again. Okay. So now on. Okay. Can I be good? Okay. Okay, we need to get chick first. Okay, pink, yeah, white, pink, white, pink, white, pink, white, pink, white, pink, white, pink, white, blah, 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 blah. Pink, okay, I'm going to what? I don't know. Okay, so now I'm going to take this thing. Umbrella again. Okay. Now I'm going to this thing. Okay. Okay, they have to go in this because I don't know. Okay. Why I am talking very fast? I keep on talking. Sorry, just I talk very too much. I don't know what's very slow. I don't care because I know I go to this place. I'm gonna make 1 hour again. Okay, so now I'm going to beat the game for a while. Okay, we're now going to beat it. Okay, I'm gonna make how many how many do I have? I only got this. Okay, we're going to get 30 minutes. We're going to get 30 minutes. So I'm gonna make but no. I'm gonna make 30 minutes. I don't know. 30 minutes and 1 hour ago. 1 hour and 30 seconds. 30 minutes. Okay. So now I'm going to make this game, okay? So now I'm going to how about 30 minutes? I don't know 30 minutes. I don't know. So now I'm going to this game, okay? We almost made it. We almost made it, guys. I'm gonna just beat this game. We almost made it, guys. Yeah, we almost made it. Come on, we almost made it, guys. How many stages do I have? I'm gonna make it. How many stages do I have? How many stages? Okay. Okay, we need to just make a progress. Okay. Okay, now go to this stage. Yes, we're gonna beat the stage. Come on. And, oh, what the heck? Hey, yo, how about this? Okay, let's go. What? Oh, so guys, if you wanna see more videos of the server, should I get subscribed? So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to my channel. So, thank you for watching, guys. So, anyways, guys, I like this game for a while. So, now I'm going to beat this game. I just beat this game for a while. So, anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Goodbye, guys. I just beat this game with this one. So, goodbye, guys.